is Marjorie M. Pelari. I will report the marketing promotional communication. Introduction. Marketing and promotional communication are strategies that business use to connect with the customers that help in build awareness, proceeding audience, and create a brand image. The introductions talk about how important strategy that business use to connect with the customers. It's mean companies don't just sell product. They also need to communicate or talk people in different ways. In short, the introduction explained that communication is the key for a business to be successful because it helps attract customers, keep them interested, and make them loyal to the brand. Dito naman tayo sa marketing communication. Marketing communication is the process of informing, proceeding, and reminding customers about product or service. Key elements. Advertising. This is the one business promote their products throughout TV, radio, newspaper, poster, or social media. That the goal is to make people aware of that product to encourage them to buy it. So next, public relations. This focus on creating and maintain a good image for the company. PR help build trust between the business and the public. Sale product. Sale product. These are the short-term activities that encourage people to buy right away, like discount, buy one take one. Direct marketing. Direct marketing. This one is the business to communicate direct with the customers throughout text, message, email, or flyers. It helps each customer personal. Personal selling. This happens when a salesperson talks direct to a customer to convince them to buy the products. And the last is digital marketing. This use that internet, website, and social media platform to advance platform to buy the product with the connect customers online. Pwede din siya i-post sa Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram.
I am the next reporter and I am Sabrina May Pitino. Today I will discuss the promotional communication. Promotional communication focuses on encouraging immediate action from customers. When we say promotional communication, is a type of marketing that aims to encourage customers to take immediate action as a buying product, visiting stores, signing up for a service, or joining a promotion. This strategy is often short-term and focuses on creating interest and excitement or urgency among consumers. Types include about promotional communication. The first is advertising campaigns. Advertising campaigns, this is a campaign na ginagamit siya sa ibang media like TV, radio, and billboards. Billboards din para i-promote siya sa isang product or brand. Example, like TV commercial ng Jollibee, nagpapakita sila ng bagong burger meal, yung bagong product nila, bagong sa menu nila, yun. So the next is sales promotion. Sales promotion is ito ay mga panandaliang promo na nagbigay nagbibigay sila ng discounts or freebies, limited offers na may kayat ng mga customers na bumibili agad, na customer na bumili agad. Example, buy one take one sa milk tea shop, or 20% off kapag bumili sa Lazada gamit ang voucher code. Yun. The next is sponsorship and events. Sponsorship and events, like ito yung kapag isang kumpanya ay sumusuporta, nag-sponsor ng mga events. Ito may paraan ng pagpo-promote ng kanilang brand. And the next is, the third is sponsorship and events. Ito yung isang kumpanya na nagsusuportan o nag-sponsor ng events. Like, ito yung paraan na pagpo-promote ng kanilang brand habang nakikilahok ng mga activities, ng maraming tao na nanonood. Like, halimbawa, Coca-Cola bilang sponsor ng isang festival, or Smart Communication na nag-sponsor ng sports event tulad ng UAA app. Yun. And the fourth is digital promotions. Yung digital promotion naman is ito yung mga promotion na ginagawa online gamit ang social media, email marketing o websites. Like, halimbawa, Instagram giveaway, contest, kung saan kailangan nilang i-follow at itag ang friends para mapanalo yung prize. Tapos, isang example din is yung email promo mula sa Zalora na may subject line na get 30% off on your next purchase. Yan lang, sir. That's all. Thank you.
Importance and benefits. Build brand awareness, increase sales, strengthen customer relationship, provides competitive advantage, educate customers. Build brand awareness. Build brand awareness works to familiarize customer with a brand or product through promotion, advertising, social media, and more. Increase sales. Increase sales, creating collateral for sales calls, increasing brand awareness through advertising campaigns. Strengthen customer relationship. Strengthen customer relationship is a marketing strategy that campaign used to center the business and product marketing efforts around customer relationship, customer needs, and customer loyalty. Provides competitive advantage. These factors allow the productive identity to generate more sales or superior margins than others in its market. Educate customers. Conclusion. Marketing and promotional communication are vital for business success by combining traditional and digital strategies. Companies can effectively reach their audience, boost sales, and build long-term relationships.